Hi guys, welcome to my guitar tutorial. For today's video, I want to guitar the song of Callum Scott, You're the Reason, cover by Pinigin Tahan Langit. Ang gamitin ko chords ito guys, Apple, E, tapos F sharp minor, tapos D minor, D, tapos eagle, balik sa E. Ang gamit kong ano dito guys, plucking guys, pag Apple, 5, 3, 2, 1. Ang gamitin natin sa 3 yung index, tapos middle yung 3 index, tapos yung second middle, tapos yung first string ring finger. 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, balik sa 5, 3, 2, 1, tapos lipat sa F sharp minor, 6, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 2, 1, tapos sa D, 4, 3, 2, 1, tapos sa eagle, 6, 3, 2, 1. Dito lang tayo mag double plucking sa ano guys, sa E. Tapos sa F sharp minor, double plucking siya. Tapos sa eagle, sa D, 4, 3, 2, 1 lang, tapos lipat sa eagle. Intro sa ito rin.
My hand shaking, you are the reason my heart keeps bleeding. I need you now.
Verse 4.
If I could turn back the clock, make
guys.
sure the light defeated the dark, spend every hour of every day keeping you safe.
Second chorus.
Climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you, fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
subscribe to YouTube channel, Baby Lover. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching.